The Ministry of Home Affairs today issued an order under the Disaster Management Act 2005 to extend the nationwide lockdown for a further period of 2 weeks beyond May 4th, it said in a statement. The decision has been taken after a comprehensive assessment. It said the guidelines to regulate different activities in this period have been issued based on the risk profile of the districts. Now, those districts which fall in orange and green zones have been given significant relaxation. However, those falling in red zones have been declared as no activity zones. There are only 4 coronavirus red zones in West Bengal, the state government said on Friday, protesting the centre's assessment that included 10 of the state's 23 districts among areas worst hit by COVID-19. Based on the current parameters of the Government of India for categorization of areas for COVID-19, the districts in the red zones are only 4: Kolkata, Howrah, North 24 Parganas and Purba Mednipur. A letter sent by Bengal's Principal Health Secretary to the central government said, calling the new assessment erroneous, the West Bengal Health Department requested the ministry to issue a correction. Now, this is expected to spark a new series of tussle between the central government and West Bengal government. India on Friday registered its highest single daily spike in the number of coronavirus deaths, with 77 deaths in the last 24 hours. The Health Ministry data said the total reached 1,152. The number of coronavirus cases in the country today breached the 35,000 mark. The total now currently stands at 35,365. The centre's data said 9,065 people have been cured of the virus so far, which is 25.37% of the total cases. The centre had on Thursday said the doubling rate of coronavirus cases had improved to 11 days. Chief of Defence Staff Bipin Rawat today announced that on May 3rd, when the nationwide coronavirus lockdown is due to end, the military will conduct a fly-past, shower petals on hospitals from air and light up ships as thanksgiving to COVID-19 warriors from the armed forces. Speaking at a press conference along with all 3 service chiefs, General Rawat said that on May 3rd, there will be some special activities as a gesture of special gratitude by all 3 forces. The Air Force will be conducting fly-past from Kashmir to Kanyakumari across the lengths and breadths of the country. Fly-past will also be carried out in Assam in the northeast to Kutch in Gujarat. The Navy will be out in the sea and display their strength by lighting ships on seashores. Jammu and Kashmir politician has been arrested by the National Investigation Agency over alleged link to a terrorist group Hizbul Mujahideen. He has been accused of supplying arms. Now, the arrest was made as a part of the investigation into Davinder Singh, a senior Jammu and Kashmir police officer who was arrested in January while transporting top Hizbul terrorist. Now, Tariq Ahmad Mir, a sarpanch from Vachi in Jammu and Kashmir Shopian district, contested the 2014 assembly polls on a BJP ticket. He even shared the stage with Prime Minister Narendra Modi during an election rally in Srinagar in December 2014. However, Jammu and Kashmir BJP has said that the party has nothing to do with those involved in anti-national activities and Tariq Ahmad Mir had been expelled 2 years ago.